Are you a new rider struggling with right-handed turns? They can be tricky, especially if you're right-handed. You're generally used to going left, so it feels uncomfortable and awkward going right. So the main thing that you need to keep in mind is that proper technique is paramount. It's more important than the left-handed corners that are more comfortable for you. So you really gotta dive deep, practice, learn proper technique, and master it. So let's go over some of those basic techniques. So when you first start learning how to ride off-road and cornering, you want to scoot up on the seat when you come into the corner after you do all the braking. This puts the weight on the front end, you get better traction so you don't slide out. Plus, it makes it much easier to turn and handle the bike going around the corner. And then you also use your inside leg. So if you're taking a right-handed corner, you put your inside leg out. This puts even more weight on the front end, giving you more traction, more stability and confidence, as well as you're able to balance better if the bike gets too far leaned over or you need to lean over far enough. It just aids in balance. And then depending on the type of the corner, you either want to be weighting the outside peg to give it more traction or kind of in the middle of the seat. And so the less traction that you have going around a corner, so a flat corner has generally the least amount of traction, you want the most weight on the outside, where the more traction you have, like in a rut, the more neutral you can be on the bike. And you just have to get familiar with it, build up your muscle memory, practice, and then you'll get familiar with how you need to position your butt and using your core on the bike. And I blew the rut there, so that means I wasn't leaning over far enough. I need to either slow down or lean it over more. And there I leaned it over too far. I had to put my foot down. So I'm still getting used to right-handed corners again in the ruts. I'm out of practice. So you just gotta start out slow and smooth, because if you try and go too aggressive, too fast, too soon, then you're just gonna get out of control. You're gonna get frustrated and you're gonna get annoyed with yourself and not enjoy riding. So that's why you wanna start out smooth, practice good technique, and then slowly build your speed up. So if you found this video useful for your riding, I want to help you become a better, safer rider. Head to motocrosshideout.com. I have a free gift for you to help you with your riding technique. I'm Kelly Fager, Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more.